Many people know Dell as the company that makes laptops, but Dell Technologies provides everything from solutions in the data center to software that makes it all run effectively. And we ship products and service solutions in over 150 countries. Dell also does a lot for the broader Austin community, whether it's the Dell Medical Center or one of my personal favorites, Austin City Limits. While people couldn't see live music, ACL made their archives available digitally, which was something that Dell Technologies was a really big part of.
When the pandemic hit, 150,000 employees pivoted immediately to working from home. My dogs love it. They think it's great that I'm home all the time.
Everyone was using Salesforce when they were in the office, and when they went home and everything was changing around them, we still had the same structure and process and ways of working. We could innovate very quickly to deal with the issues that we hadn't faced before. The customer success team has been with us on that entire journey. We've been really appreciative of the great talent that Salesforce has had working alongside us.
So we pivoted to look at how do we make Salesforce more productive for our sales organization, knowing that they couldn't go and meet with their customers.
At Dell, the customer is at the center of everything we do. Having a 360 view of your customer helps you grow the relationship because you can see the customer across their life cycle.
The business continues to evolve. People expect more. They want every interaction to be not just digital, but frictionless, and they really want a rapid response. Having a single source of truth and having a single pane of glass into that source of truth, you can make a decision versus requesting it, getting the reports, bridging it together. The best case, you're talking hours, but you're probably talking days versus having information at your fingertips. Super important.
I have two great companies. I work at Dell, but I love Salesforce, and I think that they're just as dedicated as the Dell team is to see us being successful.
I don't think we'll ever be done because we keep raising the bar. We're still in a digital transformation.